Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi POCO X3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by going into Play Store. Now you need to click on the search bar and type Magic Fluids. Then download this app from this developer. Open it, tap at the bottom right corner, choose Settings, click I accept and customize your wallpaper however you want to. When you're done, click at the top right corner and bottom one again. Choose Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Set Wallpaper and decide if you want to see it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of the options. So now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!